Scoop, dahan-dahan. Take it easy, easy. Easy lang, just easy. Yeah, going up. Going up. Mamamatay na ako.
Yay! So we're here.
Yeah, it's worth it, baby. Rudy! Nasaan ka, Rudy? Ay, buti nandito pala si Rudy, oh.
You keep me wondering, is our love strong? Just like a love song, baby, it's haunting me. Don't know what you're thinking, it's like I'm sinking deep underwater. Maybe it's harder for me. Oh, harder for me.
Welcome back! Don't forget to subscribe and like and share my video. Napakaganda yung araw and super windy. Pipil ko na yung lamig ko. Grabe. Lalamig siya natot. Tingnan mo naman yung suot niya. Woo! Wow! Ayan yung mga rules dito sa pag-hikingan natin. Dito tayo sa easy. Wag din tayo sa hard. Baka kasi gumulong-gulong tayo eh.
Kaya pa?
Kaya!
Yay! Parang nakawalang
Kalokohan!
nakawalang monkey.
Kalokohan! Yan, mushroom rock.
So, this is my first hiking trip after I gave birth. Good for the heart.
Good for the heart. Good for the memory. Tandaan lang, easy. Easy.
Shortcut pa ba ito tinadaan?
I know. That's why it called trail. Wait, hold on. Yeah, just keep going. Follow the arrow. Follow the sign. Meaning that's a good sign. That's a good sign. Just keep going. Keep going. Hawak. Intense. Intense yung hiking ni Ana. Grabe yan, oh. We are on the top of the mountain, baby. Yan. Kaya yung welcome hiking namin yan, oh. super amazing. Look! Wow!
First time na ano ko, hiking. Wait lang. Bakit tayo sa taas?
Yeah, they have a cave. Look. Bakit ka? Guys,
Ha? Yay! So we're here.
Yeah, it's worth it, baby.
The
God
cave.
damn.
Ito yung cave. Asan ang swing? I think someone made this. Ayan yung
Tinanggal nila yung swing eh.
dito pa dapat yon.
Oo. Ito yan.
Oh. Tapos ito yung view. Ayan pa ako.
Iyan na natin.
Ang pa ako.
Rudy! 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 Nasaan ka, Rudy? Ay, buti dito pala si Rudy, oh. Fires a road, Rudy!
You keep me wondering, is our love strong? Just like a love song, baby, it's haunting me. Don't know what you're thinking, it's like I'm sinking deep underwater. Maybe it's harder for me. Oh, harder for me. Maybe we're over it, or maybe just lovers. Cause under the covers, baby, you're showing me how to be fearless, so no one can hear us. You're throwing the pillars through the floor. Now put your loving on me. Eh, loving on me. Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all. But I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body too. Yeah, body too. And baby, please don't think I run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, your body too. Yeah, body too. Will you be my ride or die? Around all these people, we'll try to be someone better than you and I. Posing for pictures, but nobody listens to anything that you have to say. Can we just leave and walk away? Walk away, walk away.